Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to BT and Makra channel on YouTube. My name is BT. I'm here at Two Deer Park along Russian Boulevard in Phnom Penh City. And this morning I'm going to Sang district in Kandal province to visit the village, the market, the beautiful road, and maybe I will try sugarcane juice there. So let's go together. Good morning again, this is BT. I'm here at Sang district. Behind me is Sang Pretoi market in Kandal province. Hello everyone, I'm here inside Sang Pretoi market in Kandal province. This is the overview of the market, just showing the background of the market, the activity of vendor and people walking in, and everything selling in the market in the morning at Sang Pretoi market in Kandal province. So I'm gonna walk through showing something in this market. This boy is selling dessert. Dessert in the plastic bag. This one by him man. And this one is custard pumpkin. Man. The price for custard apple and custard pumpkin is $2 and $2.50 for big one and smaller one, and jelly dessert 1,000 real. This is a dessert stall at Sang Pretoi market in Kandal province. She is serving dessert to people. So a lot of food here you can try. She also have rice pancake. Ooh, right here rice pancake adding fried noodle. Cambodian rice pancake called bánh cháo. And right here we call it nôm chop srok. It's kind of noodle with fresh vegetable and with chicken leg with meatball or something. We call it nôm chop srok. You wanna try? It's so yummy. This is the food in the morning. This place they serving nôm chop srok. A bowl of it, I just asked the vendor, it's 4,000 real. So if you wanna try, you can come and try here at Angkor Wat market. It's a good breakfast food in the morning. This stall is different. It's having fried and steamed spring roll and summer roll. Also have noodle with sweet fish sauce. So it's a lot of food to try here. I'm going to look around and we'll try any food here. And this place is serving rice with grilled pork or grilled chicken or braised pork with chicken edge. This place grandma is selling noodle. We call bánh song. It's kind of noodle with summer roll or spring roll with pate and bacon together. So she's making summer roll. I'm going to show you this, what she's making with summer roll. So it's called spring roll or summer roll. She's making bánh song for me. It's a mix of noodle with bacon, pate and spring roll. So let's see. Add peanut and sweet sauce with coconut cream. This is sweet fish sauce and chopstick. But this is my breakfast. We call it bánh song. My breakfast, we call it bánh song. It's a bowl mix of noodle, fresh vegetable, lettuce, bean sprout, bacon, pate, spring roll or summer roll. I need to add chili. Chili will make it taste better. So let's see. This bowl of bánh song is 4,000 real or $1 US. Take a look at what I'm eating. It's a bowl of bánh song. I need to have it for my breakfast at Angkor Wat market in Kandal province. Enjoy breakfast with me, everyone. It's really tasty because she has with fish sauce and coconut cream make the taste good, and chili make the taste even better. So it's lettuce with noodle, spring roll, pate. It's good. $1 4,000 here. She's making spring roll. This is how to make spring roll. She showed the processing of making spring roll. Spring roll is done. Five little spring roll for topping of bansong, topping of noodle, bansong banhoi. Okay, thank you. It's red bean rice dessert and other dessert. You can eat after meal. Fried noodle. There's a lot of food to try here. I already tried bansong. I may try another thing. I just walk. This one in Khmer we call Angkor Wat. It's rice ball cake. 10 rice ball cake is 2,500 real. It looks so yummy. This one it's from rice flour. Make it like a round ball and serving with sweet fish sauce. Call it Khmer Angkor Wat. In English it's just called rice ball cake. And 10 cake for 2,500. Making breadstick. Making a finger cake. See it, finger. Got 7 finger. We only have 5 finger. We got 7 finger. It's waffle. Numpom or waffle in English. One cake is 500 real. It's numpom or Cambodian waffle at Angkor Wat market. One cake is 500 real. It's cheap, right? So let me try it. It's good. Wow, it's hot. It's so hot. It's sweet and yummy. It's easy to eat. You can just eat it, or we can add ice cream on top of it like waffle. My daughter likes ice cream on waffle, but I don't need ice cream. I just eat it. It's good. It's sweet. A little crunchy. I like it.